Hello everyone. It is sir. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and turn on your notification so that you can get notified anytime the new video is uploaded. Okay, in this section, we're going to create a VM. Then we're going to create a database in the VM, right? Then we're going to back up all the database that is in VM, and we're going to back up the VM itself inside the recovery vault and database recovery vault. Then we're going to go and delete the database from the VM, right? So we're going to do that. When we delete it, then we're going to recover the database again. So let's get started. Let's do it together. Once again, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. So let's get started. Create a VM. Create VM. Okay. Let's get started to create a VM. Okay. Let's use one of these source group. I don't know, I like using this source group for my practice though. So VM name, I just put it so check. Right. Let's put it in this US2. Availability option. We don't need that. We don't need this. I will do another video on the availability zone and the availability set. That'll be another video. Just watch out for that. So on this, let's go to the image. So on this image, let's look for 2000. Okay, SQL Server 2019. We want to go for this, but we are doing practice, right? Let's look for the free one. Let's okay. Look for the free one. That's free of this over here. The prices. Okay, you see, free SQL Server license, developer on Windows 10. Okay, let's use this. Or let's choose the two of them. Let's do the generation 2. Let's do the generation 2. Let's do the generation 1. Yes, the generation 2. Then let's do this one first. And I put this SQL admin. I like using that. SQL admin, the password. Make sure you put the password you can remember. Okay. Let's use ticket. Try to use just simple password. Let's see, maybe that ticket. It's not taking it. Okay. Make sure you use a password that you can remember, like I said. So, okay, let's take the RDP on this because it's for practice purpose. Because if not for practice, you don't want to allow this public inbound. Don't want to allow the public inbound, or else you do your security. This is best one, HTTPS, which is S is for security. No. So let's just allow it for just practice purpose. Go leave all this as default. So for this, I'll see just another video on this to explain more better on this virtual network, subnet, and IP address. another video is coming on for that. I will explain more detail, right? Let's click on this. When delete the VM or the public IP and needs to be deleted. Let's click on that. Then next. Next. Okay. Okay. I'll go ahead and create it SQL server there. So can just let me just in case of when I want to receive my bill, I know what the bill is all about. Then I can go just practice. Yeah. This would practice. Okay, review and create. You can see what I was talking about here. You say you have set out the report open to internet. This is only recommended for the test. You know, it's just only recommended for practice only. So please don't do that at your production environment. Only test purpose. Okay, everything's okay. Now let's read that. And that is creating. So it took forever to deploy. Yeah, so let's refresh it. This is all the resources, right? So let's come to the VM right here. Come to VM. VM. Then we'll go to backup. Backup. So on this backup, right, we have to create recovery vault. This recovery vault is where we're gonna store our VM and the database. So in case of database get deleted or VM mistakenly get deleted, you're gonna come to this recovery vault to come and recover it back. So let's call this recovery. Let's just call it just call it database. Just database recovery route. Let's just call it like that. So here you have to put this on enhance, right? So let's leave it on enhance so that we can set our policy on it. Let it be on enhance. Then let's set up our policy. Let's set our policy and let's set our policy. Okay. Then we can make our policy to be call the policy name, call it VM daily backup, VM daily backup, right? Then we put this hourly, then we can put it here every 4 hours, just leave for this default. Leave this one to 7 days. Then come down this, then leave that one 30 days. 30 days. Then we click OK. Right? Then click enable. Enable our backup. Okay, that one in progress, right? Can be done. Let's wait for it. That one too can take a while. It can take some time. It takes some time. So our backup is completed, right? It's completed. So let's go to that recovery vault, that right? The recovery vault that we created. Then let's go to backup. Then let's go to the backup items. The backup item, click on the backup items. Pause. Let's click on the detail. In the detail, you can see last backup status warning. So it's pending, right? Backup recheck, pass. So what you have to do now is click on this backup now. So let's click OK. It's triggering the backup. Then we just back the VM up now. Okay, let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. So that one is successful. Backup is successful. So backup job. You can see the backup job now. See, backup in progress, completed. So the VM is backing up now. So recovery back time. These are the detail. Okay. So let's go in here. Source, all resource. Go back to VM as well. Come back here. Let's go to the recovery vault. What is the recovery vault I created? Recovery vault. This recovery vault. Database recovery vault. Let's go to items. The item. So the VM is back up. Right. Okay. Now let's go inside our VM to go and create a database. This is our VM. All right. They just RGP. RGP. Open. Let's copy the public IP. Put it on our RGP. Connect. The username SQL admin. Then the password. Okay. Press OK. Yes. Let that come in. VM always take a while. So we're in the VM now, right? So don't need this for now. Let's look for SSMS. Okay, let's open the SSMS. Yep. Getting opening. So the SSMS is open. That is Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. It's open. So let's connect. So in here, we want to create a database, right? So we're going to create a multiple database, and we're going to go into the recovery vault. See, nothing is said, nothing here, no database. So let's create a database here. Now create database. Now let DB1. DB1 here. Successful. Copy. let's put DB2. And in case you don't know how to put, you want a number to be beside, don't forget you have to come to the tools, come to option, then come to just edit, expand it, come to TDs, this transact, SQL, come to this word wrap, the number equals, okay, the number will be there. So let's grade this to 2. Successful. Let's just be like 3 database. No. Grade this as well. Successful, right? So let's refresh this. Say this 3 database was created successful. Now let's go back to the recovery board to go and back this database up. Then after that, we're gonna come back here and get it deleted. Then you see what happened. Okay, now we are here. Let's go to recovery vote. This is our vote. So recovery vote, right? Then let's go to backup. This is backup. What do you want to back up? You want to back up SQL Server in Azure. Okay, that want to discover this. For database, want to choose the VM first. Okay, so is this. Now choose us. Put the trigger of that first. Process. Same process. Take a while, just a little bit, 1 minute, 2 minutes. Just let's see. This backup has to be complete before we can move to the next step. So this is the first step, and this is the second step. So if we didn't finish this, we can move to this. So it's still in progress. So let's just finish then to move to the next one. So that is completed. So they come here, they come to backup. We have to back up the SQL. Then let's go to detail to see. You can see right here, it is registered. This is registered and it is ready. So say 6 databases found. Now let's go back and let's click on configuration backup. Now it's time to do that. It's time to do that. Let's create. Go here to create this. Okay. Go to click on full backup. I have to edit our full backup, right? So on the full backup, you want to use say full backup, is it daily? We want this one to be the full backup to be weekly. And yeah, you put in every Sunday. So what time do we want it to be in every Sunday? Let's put it like let's put it, I'll go for 2, 1 a.m. every Sunday. Okay, just leave all this on default. Good. Let's change this one. Then change this one to number 4 back up, or you should put it daily. Oh, okay. Just full backup. Can name it wherever you want. Then the differential. Backup. Okay. Differential. Enable differential. So since we do that one, it choose every Sunday there. So we have to uncheck Sunday here, so that we will not go and be interrupting the one that we did on Sunday. So let's start this on at 2 a.m., which is okay. 2 a.m. Then let's click on log backup, enable. Let's put that one every log backup. Let's put that one every be. Let me change this one. Daily DB. Okay. Put this one hourly. This should not take this. Yeah. Okay, that's good. That's okay. Okay. Let's press okay. This. Come down. Let's add the database. See, add the database. Then you have to click on this. Add all the database in there. But it is your choice if you want to add all the database. But you know, the reason why it's 6 is because of the master database that is there, master, model, and MSDB. That's why I make it 6. But the database that we have actually created was just 3, right? So this auto protection is, if I put it on, meaning anytime I create any new database, I don't need to come over here to command, do it manually. It will automatically be protected. But if I turn it off, that means anytime I create a database, I have to come over, I have to come to this recovery route to come and do it manually, which is not advisable. So it is advisable to put it on. Okay, so leave it on. Then let's press OK. Then let's enable the backup. Oh, that's it. Okay, that's fast. Okay, let's go to a backup item. We're still on the same recovery route. All this we're doing now is we're still doing on the recovery route. Let's go to backup items. These are backup items. Yes. So here. Okay. So right here. Go back to this. It's backup items. Database over here. Wait for it. Let's wait. The database is supposed to be here. Let's wait for a minute. It'll be there in a minute. So let's go to the jobs then. Let's go to backup jobs. Okay. Sorry, backup jobs in progress. Just refresh it. In progress, in progress. I come over here. Okay. In progress. Out there and in progress. Let's wait for it to get started. In progress. Okay. Still in progress. Let's wait a minute for it because you have to be on that completed. Still in progress. So let's come back to the items. Backup items. Okay, they are here now. I know it's always take a while for that SQL Azure to be there. These are the items. Say warning. So let's come here. Let's click on backup now. Backup now. We have to go and trigger them one after the other. Come over here. Backup. Backup now. Okay. That's number 2. Number 3. Backup. Backup now. Number 3. On to 4. Backup. Backup now. That's number 4. Number 5. Backup. Backup now. So number 6. Backup. And backup now. So we have to wait for all of this trigger to be successful. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, they are all in progress. All of them have to be successful. And all of them has been backed up. So let's come down here and refresh. Let's refresh this. Okay, this is what we actually want. We want all of them to be in good health. All of them in good health now. Meaning all our database has been backed up. Now we can go ahead and delete the database. And after delete it from our VM, then we can come to this recovery route to come and recover it. Now let's see how it works. It works like magic, but let's try it. Okay, let's get out of the recovery route. Let's go to our VM. This is our VM right here. See, this is DB1 that we created. Let's delete it. So let's get it deleted. See, it is deleted already. You see, right? Just refresh it. Nothing in there. Let's go back to our recovery bot. Here's our recovery bot. We deleted DB1. DB1. So recovery bot. Here it is. Let's go to backup. In backup item. Here's backup item. Which one did they mistakenly get deleted? This is the one, right? Click on this. Let's click on restore. Restore. Here it is. He asks us, do we want to restore the same name? Or here you can store the same name, or you can choose different name. But for us to really understand what way that is the restore one, let's just take this out. DB1 restore, right? But you can as well use the same name. Can override, can use the same name here. So say override the database exists, but doesn't exist. I just click OK. Okay. Is it going to missing? Please fill in all the okay. Click on here. So you want us to choose the time. Choose this. Okay. Let's click here. Do we want to restore non-recovery? No, we don't want it to be in you have to be in recovery mode. We don't want it to be in recovery mode. And here, the hassles, you can as well change the directory here. Do you want it to be in drive F? Or if you don't want it to be in drive F, you can change it here to any other drive. If you want the data being drive, you want the log to be in different drive, don't want it here. So you can as well change it here. So you can change here, can go to here to know the drive. Can just come here, minimize all this. Just minimize all this. Come to this. Yes, PC. So we have drive F, we have drive G. So you can as well create any other drive, which is going to be here. You get it? And you can use that. So that is the question that is asking over there, that which of the drive do we want it to be. So let's just leave it in the same spot that is right there. So click on OK. So let's click on OK. What's going on? Okay. Let's go again. Let's go and do it again. So it failed. Stop. Okay. Put it again. Store it. Don't want it to be there. We want it to be to restore with no recovery. Okay. Then go ahead and check what's going on. Let's see. But I believe this is not going to fail, because if it's going to fail, it should just fail immediately. So let's see. Let's watch. It's still rain. It can take like a minute or so. So just like this. So you say the store for everything is successful. So it asks us to monitor the progress. Let's click on here. Say progress. Let's watch for it. Why that one is there. Let's go over here. Let's go and refresh our database. Wow. Say restore it. Your DB1 restore. The date is over here. Date 9/12/2003. Restore successfully. So that is how to restore a database that is deleted using recovery vault. So that is that. So, and I'll do another video how to recover VM if VM mistakenly get deleted inside the recovery vault. I'll do another one of that. That'll be on the next video. So if you are new on this channel, please subscribe, like, and turn on your notification. And if there's any video you want me to get on for you, or you're finding one or two difficulty, one or two work like that, you can as well leave it in the comments below. I will do the video and I'll upload it. Thank you once again. This is Tiwa. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you. Yes.